Ali here at Mindwave Meditation, and this is a real short video to help you change your vibration, change the frequency of your being to get you from a state of this to a state of and how do we do that? It's just a matter of tuning yourself up here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this really easily, and it's something that you can use at any point in your day for anything when you get some stressful news, or you're just feeling a bit flat, or maybe you're feeling good and you just want to crank up that dial. Use this method. It's absolutely wonderful. I use it pretty much every day, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So I'll see you on the other side. All right, so we go through life, and a lot of us just float through life, and we hope that things go well, and we wish that things work out the way that we want them to work out. So let's just start there, hoping and wishing. Now, both of these things have their place. Sometimes we need hope because, you know, it helps encourage people to push forward and to keep smiling, and it's a positive. And wishing's cool. It's nice to wish for things. Sometimes the wishes come true. That's always good. And it's nice to kind of send people your wishes and, you know, even combine the two. I hope that you really get through this. I really wish that you pull through, and, you know, it's a nice thing. But if we live in that mentality of hoping and wishing and just going with the flow and just hoping and wishing that things just kind of go the way we want them to go, we kind of miss the whole bigger picture of what we could do to change our future reality. Now, this is where I'm going to lose some of you. I'm calling it. So I'm just going to walk through this and see if any of you drop off at any point. That's totally understandable, because it gets to a point where we can completely change the game. And this is what the majority of the people will never understand. They'll never even have this conversation. They'll never even believe it. So they'll just never practice this stuff. But I know you're different. I know you're looking for something else. And I know you came here today for a reason. And I'm gonna serve you with this nugget of wisdom that I've heard from other people, and I've applied it and it's worked for me, so I know it works. So here we go. We start. Well, this works. We start by going, I really just need this to work out. I really just hope that everything works out this time. And whether you're religious or not, or spiritual or not, we all do this on some level. We externally hope that it's gonna work out, right? So if you're praying to a God, if you're religious, God, Buddha, Allah, you know, Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, Nam-myoho Renge-kyo, or please God, let this be the time that it all works out, or dear Allah, I really need this to go swimmingly well, or whatever you're into. Mistake number one, my friends, is thinking that that God is outside of yourself. You are part of the same thing that God created, if that's your way of thinking. So the way to pray truly is to believe that you already have that which you desire. Now, there's good praying and bad praying. Bad praying is begging. I need this from an external source that's going to give me what I need. Need is a repellent. You know, so you're trying to chat up a girl or a guy, and you're in that state of need. Nobody likes that, and they can, you know, smell that on you. You smell need on you, and it's horrible. So this is where we part ways with some people. If we do, nice for showing up. I'm sorry, no offense. I hope none of this is offensive to you. I hope if you stay with me, then you can apply the next bit of knowledge and your life will miraculously get better. So if you're leaving us now, I totally understand, and it was lovely to see you. And for all the rest of you that are still here, once we are in this belief, I believe that I can make this happen. I believe I shall get what I am intending. It's different. You dive into a state of knowing. So if we're chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, instead of going, please, 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 it's, I am grateful for what I am chanting for. I already have it. And if you're asking God, it's, dear God, instead of please God. Dear God, I am so grateful for this experience that I am intending. I can feel it already in my bones. I know it to be real, and I know that I can do it. I know I can pull off this thing. You go from begging and hoping into knowing, and that's when you dive into trust. You trust that what you desire is achievable. You know, let's jump out of the God stuff if you're not into that stuff. And knowing that what you want and what you want to achieve is possible, is attainable. Let's use normal words: attainable, achievable. Dive into that. Begging is its old hat. We've evolved through the sciences that we've discovered that we can, through intention, through the observer effect. Just look at the observer effect in quantum science. It's mind-boggling, but it proves all this stuff. We intend what we want, we dive into a state of knowing, and then we attract, or we at least move forward into making that a possibility in our life. So when we go from trust and knowing, we can dive into allowing. I allow this to happen. So whatever it is that you need in life, whatever it is that you truly want and what you want to experience, paint the picture, decide that's what you will have, no matter what. You don't need to know how. Number 3, picture it as if you have it. Whatever it is. I mean, don't be so specific that it's got to be attainable, achievable, and it's got to be something that you've got to work for and do, and, throw out everything at it. I'm not talking about, I want £1 billion and I'm just going to sit here and wait till it happens. Good luck, pal. So use this and be reasonable with it, dive into what you truly, truly want and use this stuff. Allow what you want to come into your being because you are trusting from a place of knowing. We are already leveled way up. So from this place, you act different. They say fake it till you make it. Others say just make it. Don't necessarily fake it. That's the hope stage. So, it's got its place, You start, if you want to be a cool person, you start acting cool, and then maybe through that you meet other people who are acting cool, and then you might become cool. So, that's fine. Why not just be cool? Just do it. Be the person you want to be. Go for that relationship that you really want. Whatever it is, allow it. Allow it to embody you. Emit that feeling of strength that you need, that confidence, that power, that intelligence, that awesomeness. I don't know, whatever, you get me. All right, now we got to this level. We believe it, we know it, we're allowing it. We're in a different field. We're way different from here. We are it. We are living it. It's true. It's real because we are being it. So from this place, we've got to play the game different. And to keep this energy going, and we are talking about energy here. Everything is energy. Everything. To keep this going and flowing and coming to you, we need to embrace it. Embrace the feeling of love. Embrace the feeling of wealth. If you want to be really, really rich, You can't see someone drive past in a nice car and go, look at them, who do they think they are? God, that guy looked like a dick. Can't do that anymore. Because if you want wealth, you have to embody it. You have to completely embrace it. You have to look at that guy in the car and go, good for him. I like what he's doing. He's living his dream. Even if you don't like the car, even if you don't like the look of the guy, it's the same energy of wealth. Same with relationships. If you want a loving relationship, you can't look at a couple in love and go, ugh, God, just look at them, get a room. You have to look at these people who you don't know with compersion. I love that word. You have to look at that couple and go, wow, look at them, they're in love. They're in love, that's so sweet. You have to feel that love, because that feeling, when you're embracing love, embracing wealth, embracing confidence, it's magnetic to love, wealth, confidence. Confident people attract confident people and confident opportunities. Confident opportunities. Someone's going to come see you and go, hey, you're the person for the job. I know you can do it because you're oozing confidence. So we're embracing it. We are living it. We are in it. It's happening. We are it. We're embracing it like a hug. Yeah, here we go. I'm embracing it. I see it over there. All right. Oh, I see it over there. It's kind of like that. You're walking down the street, you know, a three-pointer over there. Whoosh. You know, it's kind of that kind of vibe. From this place, we need to emit it. We are it at this point. I'm reminding you here, we're talking about confidence, love, wealth, health. Anything that you truly desire, you have to be it at the core. And when you are it, your job is to emit it like an amplifier. You are frequency. You have to radiate it out into the world. Imagine, visualize. Do this right now. Take a big deep breath in. Big deep breath in. One more. Breathe in. Okay, choose your one thing that you want to work on today. Love, health, wealth, confidence. Tune in to that word right now and radiate that feeling all over your body, all around your body, around the area of your body, the room that you're in. With every in-breath, you breathe in and you cultivate that feeling. With every exhalation, you amplify it and you radiate it into the room, in every corner of the room, and it goes through everything, and then it goes outside of the room and beyond the room. Out and out and out. With every in-breath in, you charge it. With every exhalation, you expand and radiate it. Keep doing that. Keep doing that all day. So remember, breathe in to charge that which you desire. And remember to constantly charge that feeling. It's just feeling. Intention and feeling. And then your exhalation pushes it out, it radiates it. And just observe what comes back. If your intention is coming from a good place, then you might be in for a few surprises. And just allow. Wake up every morning and turn on that switch of allowing what you truly desire. And then put out all the actions that you can possibly do to make that happen, to make that story a reality. and enjoy yourself today, enjoy life today, and practice this. Practice, practice, practice. Repetition is the key. And then comment down below and let me know what happened. I look forward to reading your story. And I'll see you on the next one.